A very fine good morning to all. Hope you all are fit and fine. Today we are going to revise tiling and symmetry. Okay, our topic to be revised are tiling and symmetry. Let's start with tiling. Beautiful patterns made by using one kind of shape. Repeat it over and over. What do you mean by tiling? Beautiful patterns made by one kind of shape. They are the beautiful patterns that are made by one kind of shape. Shape is of one kind and that must be repeated over again and again is called tiling. These shapes are arranged in a way they fit into each other. कैसे अरेंज है बेटा कि वो एक दूसरे के साथ फिट हो जाएं without leaving any gap. There will be no gap. Okay, so the tiling means patterns, a beautiful patterns is formed using one kind of shapes, okay, that are arranged in such a way that there will be no gap in between them. See the wall, one kind of shape is repeated and there is no gap. One kind of shape is repeated in the chessboard and we do the different color, means a white and black color to make it more beautiful. But the shape size or shape kind is remain same. Square, okay, we are not using rectangles here. Here only square are there. Is it clear? Sure. And there will be no gap. They are fit. They fit into each other. See the honeycomb, hexagon shape, they fit into each other without leaving gap. Okay, these are the beautiful patterns made by using one kind of shape. Repeat it over and over. These shapes are arranged in such a way that they fit into each other without leaving any gap. Is it clear? Very. Now, in the practice time 2, complete the tiling patterns, color them accordingly. You have to complete it and then color. Is it okay? Now color the tiles to make pattern. You have to color and make the patterns. In the question number 3, you have to create your patterns and then color them. Is it clear? So in the tiling you have studied one kind of shape is repeated over again and again and there will be no gap. Is it clear? Sure. Now come to the symmetry. Now let's start with symmetry. A shape is said to be the symmetrical if one half of the shape is exactly the same as other half. Is it clear? एक शेप को हम symmetrical कब बोलेंगे? अगर उसका one half, if one half of the shape is exactly the same as other half, both the halves of the shape will be same. Symmetry is all around us. Observe these figures. They can divide it into identical halves. Okay, both the halves are same. If we are going to divide it, definitely both the halves are same. Is it clear? Sure. Now coming to the line of symmetry. When a line divides a picture into two equal halves, then picture is said to be symmetrical. When a line divides a picture into two equal halves, okay? अगर बेटा एक line divide करे picture को two equal halves में, then picture is said to be symmetrical, and that line is said to be line of symmetry. See these shapes. Here this line divide into two equal halves. This is the line of symmetry. Is it clear? And it is vertical line of symmetry. Okay, vertical up and down. Here the line divides into two halves and both the halves are identical. And this line is known as line of symmetry. And here it's a horizontal line. Okay, line you can make the line vertical as well as horizontal. But condition is that both the halves must be identical. Okay? Sure? Now see, complete the following picture so that the right and the left side look symmetrical. So you have to draw like this here. This here is right. You have to draw same here in your left. Is it clear? So you have to complete the pictures so that right and left both look symmetrical. Now, take the shapes which are symmetrical. You know, in the symmetrical shape both the halves are same. So it is symmetrical? No. This half is totally different from this half. So, come to B. This is symmetrical? Yes. Both the halves look same. This is symmetrical? No. Is it clear? This leaf? Very good. Totally symmetrical because both the halves are identical. Is it clear? Sure. Similarly, you can complete question number 2. Now moving to third question. Draw the line of symmetry for the following English letters. See, I think I can draw. You can use scale, okay? A horizontal line, okay? Upper and lower parts are same, halves are same. In the A, you can draw a vertical line of symmetry. Right and left parts are same. In the X, vertical as well as horizontal. Is it clear? Similarly, you can complete question number 3. Okay, fine. So, with these, we have revised our chapter Patterns in Symmetry. Now, solve the sums, and if you face any problem, we are going to discuss your problem in our Zoom class. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.